Alright, so you're about to do a video on how to build this ship. We kind of started, pirate ship, kind of started already. So, there's little floaty things on the side. So you got it on both sides. That's my little helper right there, Kaden. I'm going to show you how the ship's going to look. So like here's a small picture right there. Let me put it together. We're going to start a little bit. Stop. That's silly. Go give me the, give me that green thing. No, give me that green thing. No, hold on for that.
This.
Alright. Next one we're going to do is this. This will be a separate video. It's a Build and Grow. Got it from Lowe. Obviously, got the sign up there. That'll be the next one though. Right now, we're going to stick to this ship. Come on. Let's go. Hit it. Alright, let's go. Do this one. Alright, do the other one. Harder. Alright, that's good. Let me see. Alright, what's the next piece? It's going to be the little shippy thing. Alright, so we gotta do this one next.
So.
Let me see. So I'm gonna get these two pieces right here, put it together, stick it in a little slot.
Yes.
Then you get this nail and stick it in here as well. I'm gonna do this piece, okay, Kay? So you get the stickers, hold this. So you do this sticker first, stick it up. And you're gonna bend it like this and then slide it through there. Like that. This would be that one. And bend it again. How much you do it? I'm gonna bend it and then slide through there. No, hold this. And slide through there. There you go. Alright, there you go. Stop. Alright, then we're gonna stick it in there. As so.
And it's done. It's done.
Oh, so just gotta straighten this out a little bit. Alright.
That's
Put your
done.
little boat. And that should be it, man. Yep. That's a little boat.
Now we need.
Alright. So that's our video today. How to build a pirate ship. So Kaden. Alright. Let them know that's your pirate ship, right? They're about to see there's gonna be another video. This is your pirate ship video, okay? So make sure you do what?
Stay watching your videos.
Oh, okay. Anyway, subscribe and make sure you do what else? Thumbs up, right?
Thumbs up.
Alright. Kaden 101, Stucky 101. Alright, bye.